Good morning, fellow masterminds. Jimmy Schwinn here. Hope you're having a wonderful and awesome day. I have a messy hair day going on. It's early in the morning, but I wanted to talk about, before I get further along with my LinkedIn page and LinkedIn group for MastermindWebinars.com, I wanted to do this quick video so that I can tell you what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be breaking down what I am going to be doing, that as I'm marketing this group and page, as I'm building it out. And I'll show you what I've done on Facebook already. I have one group that's for my entertainment company, 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗜𝗙, that I'm working on. It has over 7,000 people in it. And I think it's 18,000 likes now. The average cost anywhere from 5 cents to a penny. And I go through that stuff in my free members area of MastermindWebinars.com. I'm adding a lot of training back there, going through, updating some training, building out step-by-step training for the MastermindWebinar.com training. I'm breaking that down step-by-step so it's easily implemented. But I'm also going to be really training on LinkedIn. Let me show you something here. So I have these groups, right? And I have a mastermind group on Facebook, and I have a page. And the page, I think, is at 7,000 some. Now this is going to go to my business manager. Not what I wanted to do. I don't know why Facebook does that. But if you go to the mastermind page, again, it's probably going to open up that. Let me go to the group real quick, see if it does. Okay, it didn't do that. So if you go to the group, you can see that it has about 321 members, but the page has 7,308 likes. But also, if you go to this group, my Dog Mafia group, I've got 19,000 likes, and the group is at 7,095. If you go to the HGH Success Story group I have, you can see that group is at 4,334. So what I've determined, because Facebook is really not user-friendly when it comes to business, okay? I like the entertainment property. I like the product property there. That's cool. But when it comes to the mastermind webinars, I'm going to keep the page. I'm going to phase out the group because my goal is going to be from the page to bring them into the LinkedIn group. And there's business people on Facebook, don't get me wrong, but the LinkedIn group is much more suited for where I'm going. And Facebook, it seems like the more people that you get to like your page, the less they show your post. It's mind-boggling. When you go through Dog Mafia Inc., when I was down in the thousands, literally I was getting, the posts were getting nailed. I mean, just massive. And it still gets, the interaction in the group is insane. And the page is okay. But the more people that grew on the page, the less reach it got, the post. So, I'm very suspect of Facebook as far as what they're doing. I know right now they've got like 50 IGs, attorney generals looking at them for all kinds of stuff. But it doesn't seem they're pro-business to me. I actually talked to a Facebook trainer last week, and they were telling me, building likes and building groups on their platform is pretty much not even worth it, except having the page to do your marketing, to send people to your website, and then do your retargeting, which retargeting is great. I did retargeting, a testing for Bodyalign, which, by the way, I think is at, hopefully this don't, yeah, there it goes right to freaking the business thing. 16,000 likes, and the group's at about 500 and something. So, and again, that's a product, a wellness product, and I'll be putting, later on, we'll be putting, a group on LinkedIn, but my main priority is masterminds. But it just seems that the more you grow on their site, the page grows, the less it gets out unless you're going to boost it and pay for it. And so I made a decision that there's a lot of good stuff here. There's no doubt about it. but I'm not going to be putting, I'll be putting some of the stuff that I put out over there, I'll be putting into the new group, but I'm really not going to be putting a lot of stuff here except to get people to move to the LinkedIn group, because I just don't see the scalability with Facebook. Also, they're very biased with different things. And, you know, me, I'm a white male and I'm a Christian. I have some conservative views, libertarian views, liberal views. I'm an American, but there's a lot of bias I see. And, you know, they can say whatever they want, but I see it firsthand. I don't like what I see, so I can't put more time into building out this. I like, again, the entertainment property's awesome. I feel that that will be able to be monetized, those two things there. But again, I'm focusing on this group. And I will be breaking down the training and showing you exactly how I'm setting up this LinkedIn group. It's not hard. You know, I put it together. I've only been working on it for I think I put it up on Monday. I'm actually using a person on Fiverr to create the headers for both and all of that. So I'm going to walk through that process and then show you how I take a group that has nobody in it and start building that group, right? And this group's all about helping people, you know, generate more leads and more sales for their business and do it at a profit, not a loss. Most businesses are marketing at a loss. They don't even break even on their money, and they're not doing retargeting. They're not doing a lot of things. So I just want to do this quick video and let you know where I'm headed with this, but you've got to be a member of MastermindWebinars.com, the free members area, and all of this training is going to be under LinkedIn training, and I'm going to be breaking it down for you as I do it. You're going to see me going from nothing to what I've been showing you on Facebook. And again, my decision to really focus on, you know, business people for Mastermind Webinars membership, and then also to help them if they want to implement this stuff because they don't have enough time. All the training is going to be there. I got a lot of training there now, but I'm breaking it down step by step where somebody will be able to absolutely get their business online properly, so that when they start bringing traffic from their ideal customer profile areas, where are your dream clients or ideal customer profiles sitting? Where's your customers, those dream clients sitting? And then you're sending ads out there with your lead magnet. You're getting their attention. You're giving them something for free to help them solve their problems, and you're bringing them into your situation. And then you're giving them love and value, and then you're moving them up your value ladder, which should bring them more value and more value and more value. So at a good price that you build a long-term relationship with them. So we're breaking all of that down. You're going to be able to learn all of that in the back office of MastermindWebinars.com for free. And then if you need help implementing it, because information, again, I say this a lot, without implementation is meaningless. I've been a project manager for 20 years. I've been involved in hundreds of projects. I've seen projects succeed and their success collapsed them because they didn't have enough money behind them. And I've seen them fail. I've seen them succeed for a long term. So all of this knowledge that I've been given from failures and successes is being shared to you by being part of this, the MastermindWebinars.com LinkedIn group. And again, I'm phasing out of Facebook. So if you're not in the LinkedIn group, I will be inviting people soon. I want to add some more content. I want to get the header image done. But I'll be inviting people. But if you're not part, get involved. I'll be sending out emails to the existing membership. I'll be posting in Facebook to get people to come over. And this is where I'm going to do the group right here. I'm not going to have two of them. I don't have the time. I have other people handling these other groups of Bodyline and Dog Mafia, but I'm going to be focusing on this group because I'm going to be training on what I'm doing so that you can create a similar group if you need business people to distribute your product or service. You're going to be, or to buy your product or service, you're doing B2B or you're looking for your B2C and you're looking for distributors. I'm going to be breaking down everything that I'm doing in this group, how I'm going to be attracting my ideal customer profile, my dream client into my group, utilizing my page, utilizing my LinkedIn profile, and some of the marketing that we'll be working on. So I'll be breaking all that down in LinkedIn training in the back area of MastermindWebinars.com. So thank you very much for watching this video. God bless. Have a wonderful day.